not gonna get any fish out of the pond. You know, us cats are quite innocent fish. Come on, Bob, for my younger. Hey, Ruby, I want to know if you want to... Ruby, what the heck are you doing? You can't just snatch fish out of a random owner's garden. What are you even doing in the garden in the first place? You're never gonna get killed. I'm so tired of him. If you don't know my expression, that is, it's, you know, yawning. You shouldn't be really going into people's gardens. You know you get killed, and we're wild feral cats. We're not like other cats from the streets and that. Now come on, we need to go. Come on, sis. Sorry, I'm tired of you. Wait, is that her? There's no way it can be her. Do you palm an evil spit, cat? I need to kidnap her and kill her brother. Alright, letter, here you go. Shh. Let's see this plan has worked. I got to go. Sorry, little bro. I got to go, Spark. See ya. Well, I'm coming with you. I don't care about, huh? Huh? Spark, you gotta come and see this. Or is it, Ruby? Dear Ruby, I want to know if you want to come. Is his handwriting okay? Was he supposed to say 6 p.m. or 3 a.m.? I can't read this. Can you, Spark? Do you think I understand this? Let's read the other part. Ha ha ha. Is this sort of a joke from another cat? I think it is. I like the expression so. Is this gibberish? Is this gibberish writing? I don't know. Don't even ask me. Come on, let's go. Not bad for a cat. Oh, this writing is so cute. What? It's my handwriting. Be continue.